So you are all ready? You have seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what happens?
Yes, sir.
I think so. You have done it before, so do a good job. Do you have any question before we start? No question?
No, sir.
Chalo, good luck to all of you. You will be discussing second picture. Just number 11, please start.
I perceive three characters in the picture. All three are male. The first character is of age 42, and the other two characters are of age 17 and 15. My main character is of age 17. His name is Arun. So Arun belongs to a backward village. One day with his father, one day the both of them with their father goes to the city, and they sees the difference between the city and their village. They come to know the difference in the resources they are facing, and the difference in the technology. The difference in technology between the city and the backward area from which they come to. So Arun one day comes to his place and he asks his father how can he improve the situation of the village. So his father tells him the story of APJ Abdul Kalam, how he from a small village became the missile man of India. And the same path Arun follows. He joins the school, he studies hard there, and he comes back, spreads the same awareness to the children present in his village. He teaches them too while studying in the school, and with the same, later on he has a nice job. He teaches his villagers about all the technologies which has come into the picture these days. He has improved the resources in his village like electricity and water supply. Later on, seeing him, the other children of the village also felt working hard and doing something for the society, and they followed the path which Arun and his mother followed.
Friends, in that picture, I saw a boy, Mahesh, 15 years, positive mood. He is going, and his sisters also, they are going in school. One day he thinks that he develops the village. And he motivated his sisters to develop, how to develop the village. And they told that his sisters go and bring the plants and grow the plants besides the roads and keep the roads clean. And he motivated other students in the school, and they were starting a program by Go Green and appreciate all the villages people, and the students were doing very well in that works. The village head comes in that function and appreciates him. Thank you.
Friends, I saw that there is three characters. One of them is the leader and the platoon commander. His name is Lakshay. Along with his two juniors, he was participating in an event. He is an NCC cadet, and he went to a camp where he learned many things like shooting, archery, and mountaineering. And all those competitions, he went to all those competitions of the same sport. One such competition was trekking. Now, as Lakshay had interest in trekking, he knew all the tricks and the points where he had to take care for the trekking. So one day prior to the trekking, he motivated his juniors to participate in the trekking event and win the tournament. He told them about the tricks. Like if you work for a long time in the sun, you will get dehydrated. So he told them you should take a hat and you should use those. So like these, he told the tricks, and finally on the day he was able to win the tournament along with his team, as well as because of the group effort. All of them cheered and joyed because of the winning. Thank you.
Friends, I saw a three character. One name is Yadav and two of the children of the Yadav, like Ravi and Sweta. Here, the Yadav has two children, Ravi and Sweta. Sweta and Ravi has good motivations and they are willing to have study in the village. But Yadav has noticed that they were not able to study because the villages has not any schools, surrounding villages or not. Even Yadav has got an idea that we should give a complaint or give a request to the government that our villages and surrounding villages have to be better school, means resources will be there. He collected a letter and get signed from all the villages, and he just passed a bill to the government. And within the month, government has passed a bill, and the villages got a school, and of course the Yadav students and the villages children has got educated, and they were happy and going to school.
Gentlemen, I saw three characters. Both are all are male. One age group of around 30 years, and the other two age group between 10 to 15 years. Their mood is positive. the action, the theme of my story is upliftment of the education in the village. So my story goes like this. Saurabh is a farmer. He has two sons and he wants them to be educated. Since there were no schools in the village, so he took them to the school in the surrounding village, in the beside village. Moreover, he also told or motivated the villagers to send their children to the school. He told them if their children will be educated, so they will be doing the work for the upliftment of the village only. Moreover, he also told them that in the upcoming election, the villagers should demand for the school in their village to the Pradhan. The villagers acted positively and they demanded for the village school. The Pradhan promised them a school, so they made him Pradhan again. Subsequently, the school was put in by the Pradhan in the village, and which subsequently increased the number of children going to the school. Hence, the villagers appraised the Saurabh's efforts in bringing the school in the village. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I perceive three characters. Three of them are male characters with a positive mode. Surya, who is a farmer and with a poor financial support, he led them with his physical work. They led doing his work to give their children to a better future and going daily wages. But both Rohit and Sharad, those who are the sons of the Surya, they are motivating their father and they don't being burden of studies. They were not wanted to study a lot, so they wanted not to study more. So they are motivating from their father and they wanted to stop their studies. But their father Surya tell them about the competitive world in the present competitive world and encourage them to study abroad and give you a path and not to do any physical work and to be a luxurious life and to let them encourage them to study more. This is my story. Thank you.
Friends, what I saw in the picture is that there are three characters, two are females and one is male. My main character is male, his name is Ram. All of the characters are in the park where the lady is worried because her husband died recently and she is worried because she is suffering from the financial crisis of the family. She is suffering from but his son Ram is matured enough. She informed her mother about the government scheme that the government is providing part-time job for the youths who is suffering from financial crisis, and this she gave the orders them to let's join after 2 or 3 months of earning of them. She is good in handicraft, so he established a cottage industry, and this helped the family a lot, and now they are living happily. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I saw a forest with 3 positive male characters and I perceive this is a trekking scene, and my story goes on like this. Aravind is the senior officer of his school. One day he got the notice of upcoming trekking campaigns from his higher authorities. He managed the volunteer list from the school and with his friend managed the necessary things for the trekking and went there, planned their trip to a tribal village through a forest. In the path, they found that the forest was littered and was polluted by plastics and contaminated. And Arvind took initiative and split the friends into groups and managed to clean some area and help the villagers in cleaning. And they reached the tribal village safely, and the villagers thanked them. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I could see around 3 persons in the age of around 25 to 30. In my story, Mahesh, an official in the State Pollution Control Board, after learning through the report in a survey, realized that there are a number of pollution problems and environmental problems faced in the city. So he discussed the situation with his colleagues as well as his seniors and decided to find a solution. So he went and visited several educational institutions and asked them to promote the usage of public transportation. He also asked them to plant saplings in the various gardens as well as the surrounding areas near them. He also promoted people to learn about the various fields of environment. Then he visited several industries and asked them to invest more on sewage treatment plant, various waste disposal system, and also encouraged them to use renewable resources like solar energy, and asked them to establish more solar energy power plants in the area. So he felt really happy that the pollution went down in the city, and the life of the people as well as the living conditions became more easy.
In my story, Reverend Ram were two lovely brothers. They did not go to study at school because of teacher will shouted upon them because of they are showing undiscipline at school. After next morning, they were told to their father. Then father will take a come go to school. Then the father was clarified with them teachers. Then after they go regularly. Then they score both of good marks in exam. Then teacher will good appreciate of them.
Gentlemen, I have perceived three male characters, Rakesh, Raj and Abhi, of 17, 18 and 17 years old, with all three positive notes respectively. Abhi, Raj and Rakesh was returning after the classes from the college. By the way back home, they found that the trees and bushes over the roadside was getting dried up and destroyed. All three decided to look after the plants by pouring water daily. They started doing it. Days passed. Many other young students joined them, seeing them, and all of them organized themselves and started working for the nature. They named their group as Project Hope in order to spread hope in developing the nature. All the three, along with many other young students, worked for the nature and made the nature beautiful. Thank you.
Basically, I perceived three characters. A young lad of age 13 years named Raman and his parents. This lad of 13 years, Raman, was basically from a poor background, so he actually knew how difficult for a farmer to actually educate his son. So he had the zeal, potential, enthusiasm to cover all the concepts that he usually did in schools. With this zeal and enthusiasm, he grasped the concepts very well, and he even tried to inculcate in his own fields. For an example, where his father used his fertilizers or some other manures, instead of that his son said use biodegradable waste and other waste, such that they will be very much useful for them without causing any pollution for the crops too. So his father didn't believe him. Why? Because he being from uneducated, he didn't believe, but he experimented for sure. After his experiment, he could see that there was a large difference in the crop production which he usually had. Seeing his improvement, even the other farmers also tried the same thing. So basically, we're coming upon to this group discussion today. I would say that as many of friends are perceived three characters, so I would also say the number of characters would be three.